nga ba yung situationship, buddy?
Define muna natin yung situationship. Okay. Situationships are often defined as romantic relationships that do not require couples to vow exclusivity and commitment to each other. This Gen Z term is usually associated with casual dating where individuals who are involved in a situationship don't feel the need to put a label on their emotional connections. Pero kayo, how do you define a situationship?
So in short, kayo, pero hindi kayo.
Oh, kayo na hindi kayo. Kayo na hindi kayo.
Kayo, pero di tayo sure.
Ano pang definition niyo of a situationship?
Hindi na exciting yung ganun.
Hindi na.
Oo.
Oh, pero kayo, naka-experience na ba kayo ng situationship?
Eto, oo.
Well, parang siya parang karaniwan siya ngayon, no? Parang Jack!
Hindi, si Emma yung...
Ito na, si paring Jack, nagpakita
Pangkaraniwan, masyadong ngayon masyadong common nowadays yung situationship. Well, choice naman yan nila. Hindi naman natin papakialaman yan. Kung dyan sila masaya, well, go! So parang kumbaga, situationship, para sa akin, parang as someone who don't sleep around, as someone who don't, alam mo yun, parang seryoso, kumbaga, pag partner, ganun.
So yun yung hanap po ayaw mo ng situationship? Yoko. Ayaw mo? Parang napagod ka. Oo.
Parang stress.
Ayaw mo ng situation.
Kala mo
Sure ka talaga dyan?
Oo, kala ko pa magkaibigan tayo, pre. Kampihan tayo dito, podcast.
Wait lang, basahin muna natin. Meron pala tayong mga definitions from RK-ATMs. Ayan, nandiyan.
Okay, eto. Ikaw yung special pero hindi official. Tama.
It's an X!
Kalma.
Yung mga tinatanong ka may jowa ka ba?
I'm not sure.
Ano pa?
More than friends, less than lovers.
Grabe to.
Sound effects. Next. Nagde-date kayo pero walang label.
Brand X. Masaya kayo pero wala pa kayo sa exciting part. Ano yung exciting part? Actually,
Exciting part yung label.
akala ko usually yung situationship puro exciting part lang eh.
Exciting part lang.
Puro exciting part
Walang kalmado
lang.
na parang pala. Meron pa. Ito yung gusto mo ng feeling na may jowa pero ayaw mo ng commitment. Sino ba yun?
Ito.
Anong ito?
Merong benefits ng isang BF or GF pero wala yung responsibility bilang BF or GF.
Wow, coming from you, ha? Coming from you talaga yun, ha?
Yung sa'yo tol parang puro responsibility walang benefit.
Hoy, grabe naman.
Feelings ko lang.
Excited. Charot.
Ano ba yan?
Sorry lang.
Dati Ewan ko lang ngayon.
Triggered.
Meron pa.
Triggered yung nanonood. Charot.
Ako gusto kayo magsabi sa last.
Go.
Naglalaro kayo ng landi-landian, mahal-mahalan. Pero ayun nga, laro-laro pa lang.
Pero ako may definition ako ng situationship.
Okay.
Sa akin, situationship parang sobrang broad niya na thing. Yeah. But as long as may feelings involved, I guess, may attachment involved in some way, situationship na siya for me.
Umbrella term niya. Umbrella term, kumbaga, yung situationship. And then under it, may nagfo-fall like FUBUs and ganito, ganyan. Kumbaga, may corresponding positions and hierarchy lang.
Yes.